everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news. The impact of a cyber attack increases dramatically when the target is a critical infrastructure facility. For instance, 2 of Brazil's top utilities have been hit by ransomware attacks impacting its services. In other news, thousands of users of a popular music streaming service face account takeover threats due to a credential stuffing attack. Also, several social media platforms have made efforts to curb activities of accounts involved in hacking and trading credentials. 2 major electric utilities, Eletrobras and Cobel in Brazil, were impacted by a ransomware attack. Eletronuclear, a nuclear power subsidiary of Eletrobras, also suspended its administrative software. Spotify suffered yet another credential stuffing attack, forcing password resets for about 100,000 impacted users. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter all cracked down on hundreds of Instagram accounts in hacking and selling high-value social media and other online accounts. Hope that you stay safe out there and have a great day.